Also, I sense kind of what we need. Bro, I was running too fast. I even missed the health gate, bruh. I should paint it white Poe, honestly. It's a nice green energy looking effect. Also have the Frozen Frost. I bought a bunch of new items, to be honest. It's so goofy though. Green energy is cool, though. I kind of want something tame. I think it's a weird flex to do a whole polar set, but.
The enemy has taken our intelligence. The enemy has dropped our intelligence. Alert. The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
Oh, bro, I thought I had him. Way more affordable too. Soldier up ahead right here. Soldier up ahead. Got the intel. I'm running. I'm running. Thank you. They just need to heal up. Let me get the intel again. Oof. Heavy, got my 6. Oh, dang it. Heavy had eyes on me already. He's a Heavy down by the intel. I want to wear shirts. Let me see. I'm painted fashion. That kind of looked kind of funny, to be honest with you. Kind of clunky looking. Oh, that's cool. But I'm a simple guy. I like Julie's hat. I like earbuds. Earbuds. There we go. Even summer shades are pretty cool.
Intelligence return to their base.
Do we have any normal trash bags?
No. No. Sorry. We gotta stop at a store and grab some. Oh. Camper. Camper scout over there by the mid.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Oh, jeez. I want to. There's a mini sentry. Mini sentry nailed me.
Kill him! Kill him, Holo Appliance! Just kill him now! Never mind.
Go, 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 Marty, go, 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 Marty, keep going, keep running. Good try. That was a good move. That was a good move, though. We can get that. Thank you, Marty. I can grab that. I can grab that.
We have taken.
Okay, no, perfect. Go, 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 Marty, go, Marty, go. Keep going, Marty. I believe in you. Go, 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 go. Alright, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go get the other one. I'm gonna finish this.
Success. We have secured the enemy intelligence. We have taken the enemy.
Good job. Sniper got it. Sniper got it. Go, 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 go. Run, run, run. Just run, just run. Oh, man. There was no way to get through over there.
We have taken the enemy.
Go, Marty.
Marty
go.
might do. Oh, he's dead. There's a mini.
Marty did as much as he could.
Goo can do it. He can sap the mid. Oh, he's dead.
Marty is the guy. Marty is the man. Same with that sniper. No, Marty.
Marty's gone.
Marty, why? Why did he leave us? Marty's the homie. He won't be missed.
He couldn't handle the pressure.
Yeah. Marty's too, Marty's not him. If we could use a basic seg, that'd be cool. But yeah, I have a lot of sets that
The enemy intelligence return to their
I
base.
think this is one of my usual sets I use.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Go, 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 go.
Enemy intelligence.
Wow. I didn't even see that sniper over there. He already shot me. I was trying to run for that intel. Marty, no, Marty.
We have taken the enemy.
What? Nope. Ah, dude, I thought I ran. That was fast. There was a heavy camping on the side, dude. I can tell. There's some funky sets, I'm not gonna lie. This LBS Barrel is funny. It's so clunky looking. This is the last days of February, so Bruh. That mini sentry was nailing me. There's a sentry, there's a mini sentry, there's... Oh god. I'm gonna take the long route to get over there and get the intel. I think that's probably the best bet. Like, level 3 sentry's just wrangled, so it won't really be aiming at me. I'm taking the long route.
Look at me, Ma!
Heavy just sitting there. What the heck? Launch gun. I need a purple energy possible there. Oh, that's too pricey, man. Can't even see my boy's head. Look at this dude. Marlboro, man. They have more kills than us, but we have the intel. We get it more. We need to just break through to get that last intel, guys. Back up, back up. This guy's gonna get us. But we gotta get a heavy. Keep going back, medic. Can't even go that way, we're blocked. Gotta go with the heavy. Go with the heavy, medic. Gosh. They're coming. Marlboro, man. Damn. Oh, dang, man. I'm gonna pick up the intel and go. Damn it! Oh, he's only at half health too, man. Could bring in my gun and go in. Kinda sucks though, because the codes. Coping is horrid. Nice shot. They're coming. How does that NGE help you? Cover me, soldier. I need to heal up. There's an NG on the left side. Right there. He's literally right there, soldier. Yeah. Never mind. He's out. How much HP you got? Damn. What?
The enemy has taken our intelligence.
We got our intel. We need to go. Okay. Let's roll. Oh, revenge. What? What? Thank you. Oh, he hit the saw. That's how I got my revenge. Okay. At least I got revenge on one. I just need the heavy now.
The enemy has taken our intelligence.
They got our intel.
The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Oh no. Behind us, behind us. You saw that? The spy cloak. The spy's around here still. The spy's down here, find intel. Spy's around here, guys. I'm gonna watch the intel for a minute. The spy's around here, bye. What the? After the intel resets, go back to the intel spot. NG, thank you. Bro really thinks he can shoot me through the fence, man. Okay, good enough. Moving that sentry back, NG. What the hell? What the heck was that Scott doing? He was just AFK. Alright, I'm gonna move up and see if I can get the intel. Go, 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 go! Run, run, sniper! Let's help him out, let's help him out. Go demo, go! This shit! I'm running, bruh.
We have dropped the enemy intelligence.
Go, keep going, keep going! The sniper, grab the intel, hurry! Someone grab it! Anyone grab it, it's right there. It's right there.
We have taken the enemy. We have dropped the enemy intelligence.
Yeah, just keep resetting it, just keep resetting it.
The enemy intelligence.
And I'll get my bunk and I'll do cover fire.
We have dropped the enemy intelligence.
Dude, you guys are persistent.
The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
I'm doing cover fire, go! Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up! Oh, dude, I went backwards. They have a mini sentry, guys. They have a mini sentry over there, too. Come on, we gotta pick it up. I'll do a bonk, atomic punch, and I'll keep resetting it. So just keep picking it up. Keep picking it up.
We have dropped the enemy intelligence.
Come on, guys. Keep picking that up. We almost got it.
The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Screw it, screw it. We gotta get the intel here.
The enemy overhead.
Can't hit what ain't there.
We have taken our intelligence.
Dude, they have it locked down. Sheesh.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Go, 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 run!
The enemy intelligence.
We just need it once, that's all. We're right there. I'm gonna keep drinking my bonk.
Alert.
I'm a freaking blur.
Oh, okay.
The enemy intelligence.
Nice aim.
The enemy has dropped our
I'm going, I'm going.
has taken our intelligence.
There you go. Let them do it. Let them get it. It's whatever. Good job. The comeback though. I suppose though. Good defense.